All right, so we've got the bottle attached, we've got fins attached. We're ready to make a nose cone. There's lots of different ways we can do this. In the past, I've had students bring in like a Nerf football and cut it in half and put that on. That does two things for us. It adds weight to the top. I've had kids use like the little orange cones for soccer practice, you know, we put those on. So if you have something you want to bring in, that's great. I have paper. I've got rolls and rolls of this paper. So this paper's pretty flimsy, but we can still make it work, okay? We're going to talk more about this in the next video, but just as kind of a precursor. Center of pressure, center of gravity. As it says in the requirements, we want the center of pressure as low as possible, and we do that by adding fins. The bigger the fins, the lower the center of pressure, but the more drag you have. We want the center of gravity higher. We do that by adding weight to the front. The more weight we add, the higher the center of gravity will be, but the heavier the rocket is, and it's going to struggle to go very high. So a nose cone can make the rocket longer. That will separate the center of pressure and the center of gravity more. Really easy to do. I'm just going to use a piece of string. I'm going to roughly mark where I think the middle is, and then I can check it with the string. So if I put a knot right here, I grab that, I'm about there. Oh, that's like perfect. Wow, that was a pretty good guess. So now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to push it through the string like this, and this does not have to be a perfect circle, but we want it to be close. Okay, and then I'm going to put my finger on the center. Come on, pencil. And then we're just going to go pulling the string tight. Oop, went off there. Went off there a little bit. Again, it does not have to be a perfect circle. Oop, it's got to be better than that though. I'm going to draw us a circle. This works better with mechanical pencils. They're a little pointier. Come on. Okay, and then we're going to cut that circle out. I'm doing this really quick. You might want to spend just a little more time making this look a little bit better. That would be fine. Cut the circle out. Now I could have gotten a little bit bigger piece of paper, and I could have made the circle a little bit bigger. If you want a really tall nose cone, you would make a big circle. If you want a smaller nose cone, you would make a smaller circle. So now I'm just going to cut a line anywhere into the middle. Okay? So I do that. Ta-da! There's my nose cone. Is that gonna work? Kind of floppy. What happens if we keep spinning these and overlapping them? Oh, that's looking a little better. And now it's 3 layers thick. So I'm going to just keep pulling and wrapping and pulling. Nope, that didn't work. I'm just going to keep doing this until I get this. Looks like an ice cream cone. Yum. So still too big, right? We're just going to keep going until that fits, and then we're going to use some duct tape. We'll grab that. you. There. Ooh, look at that. That's like perfect. Okay, so I'm going to take a strip of duct tape. I'm just going to put a little strip of tape down this, and you'll notice we're several layers thick now, so it is quite a bit stronger. All right. So, put the tape on it. If I could find the knot prepared with my tape, I should have had a strip already pulled off. Wow, where is it? There it is. So you may want to have this already peeled off to make your life a whole lot easier. Ooh, I did it without crushing my nose cone. No, didn't crush it too bad. Put that strip on there, and just stick it down real good. So the nose cone, we could, same way we did the top bottle, we could just wrap a strip of tape around it, but remember I mentioned we want to add some weight. There's a couple ways we can do this. So I'm not going to tape this on yet, because the higher we make the weight, the less of it we need. I could add weight here. There's a couple of different ways to do that. We can cut a hole and we can put weight up near the top. We can put the weight in the top of the nose cone, but it is still pretty flimsy. We'll show you how to do that in the next video.